So the guys are brush coating the skimmer box line. Basically there's a 90 underneath the concrete over here. This pipe runs all the way through and goes towards the pump. So yeah, they stuck a camera in over there. They got a visual on the camera. They're lining all the way through over here. It's a nice straight run. So hello.
Hello. Macam tanya.
So basically on this line over here there was bubbles coming out of that jet over there. So when there's bubbles coming out of your pool jet, it means that there's a leak on your suction line. If there's a leak on the pool and your water level's dropping and there's no bubbles coming out of your jet, then it means that the leak is not on your suction, it's on the jet. But if you've got bubbles coming out of your jet, it means that the suction line is sucking water and air. That's why you would have leaks on your jet, unless the pool pump's leaking. So basically they're brush coating from this point. There's a 90, there's a coupling somewhere here, and then it's a solid line all the way through until the pool pump. So we're using thick coats. You can see the machine's been used quite well. And they're going to brush coat here. So this is a white potable epoxy that's used on tank linings that will line the HDPE pipe. So there was air coming out of this jet over here, and that's how we knew it was the suction line. And we did camera inspections as well from the pool pump until the skimmer box, and we found holes. So the guys are going to use OXI Liner just to line this section here where they can't get with the brush coating system. So we're going to blow in place epoxy just through this section because there's multiple 90s here, so the shaft of the miller won't go through a few 90s when they're stacked too close to each other. So we'll use OXI Liner to then line through this weird section here where there's too many 90s, and then they'll be brush coating from this point onwards through the coupling that has about 3 holes all the way until the pump. And then about 48 hours later they can reconnect the pump, fill the pool and put the pool back on, and there shouldn't be bubbles. Yeah, let me see.